Most V70s still have this front grille, and let's be honest, it's starting to look a bit outdated. So today we're gonna upgrade to this new one that has a design inspired by the newer Volvos. And if you think it looks a bit empty here, I'm also gonna show you how to move the emblem from the old one onto the new one. And this is quick and easy to do. Follow along. You start by removing these clips. You push in the middle and pull it upwards. I want some more light in the grille, so I'll put the flashlight right here. And now we can pull out the bumper and put it over the lock for the hood. After that, you get a little bit of a bigger gap here. And then you take, for example, a long screwdriver and you can push the locking clip that holds the grille. I'll show you how it looks in a minute. Now we release the last of the top ones, and you can pull it outwards carefully, and the locking clips on the side will get loose so you can reach inside to release the lower ones. And here you can see how they look. And on the back of the grille you can find the same principle that holds the emblem. Use something like a screwdriver to push them, and at the same time hold pressure to get them to come out. So. Now we can get the bumper back in place and put the clips back. And these clips you just push back the center and then put the clip in and push it down again. And with the new grille you just push it into lock, and you can already see an upgrade on the look of this car. I think this grille looks awesome. And now I'll show you how to get the emblem on. Just try it on first and see exactly where you want to place it. Make sure you have something to aim for. And now we can put some butyl tape on the back of the emblem. And if you need some, we also sell it, and it's great for things like this because it's both strong and removable. And here you can see how I put the butyl tape on my emblem, and then it's just push on. And then we make the same thing for the bars for the emblem. After that, we're done. And I think this looks great. It's a big upgrade from the old grille. And if you already have the grille, it's pretty easy to just get the emblem on. If you want to see something else from us, you can just click up here.